Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be showing me do some crochet braids that's supposed to look like my natural hair. I believe I tried with this one, so do enjoy the video as I get started. And so the hair I'll be using today is the Janet Collection 2X Afro Kinky Bulk Hair in 14 inches. This is the hair. I got 2 bags of this in the color number 2, which is my natural hair color. The hair is supposed to have a human hair feel. Well, it's bulk hair. This is how it comes. 2 bags of this will be enough for my whole head. My head is not that big. It's big actually. 2 bags, color number 2, my natural hair color. And also I decided I'll be using these old cornrows. Now these cornrows, please don't laugh at my cornrows. They are cornrows from a previous crochet install. I had that style in for about 2 weeks and a half. Then I took the style out. I left my cornrows in. I was wearing a wig. Then I washed, I deep conditioned. Like, it looks a mess, but then it's actually clean. My hair is clean. Like, I was too lazy to take this down and then redo, because, well, sometimes crochets you can get away with ugly cornrows. This is the hair, and let me see, it's both hair. I just ripped. Okay, yeah. Now this ear, now I'm gonna have to cut these. Cuts. This is like the very straight end of the bulk hair. You don't really need this, like it's too straight. It's going in the trash anyways. And let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 little bundles here. Let me see. This is 10 little bundles. That's out for 1 pack. Let me see how many is in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is another 10. So each pack has 20 of those little bundles. Like this pack right here now has 20 little bundles like this, which makes my life easier because I won't have to like separate so much, like prep the hair on that thread rack of a thing. So I'm just gonna, let me see, each little piece now I'll be separating in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Life is easy. Each piece like this will be separated in 5, so that should be enough for a full head. And do enjoy the video as I get started. Also note the hair will not be cut because folded. This is the length already. Let's see, let me just stick one in first. Oh, I went too far. See, okay, I can't wait to finish this already, so let me just get started. To enjoy the video. So you know that's one now. Okay, put that away. Let's see. This hair is really perfect to imitate human hair because of the length, because of course, you know, not everybody's blessed with super long, super duper long natural hair. So far I have half a bag of the hair on my head. This is it, half bag in my head already. And honestly I love this already. Like, this is looking like my hair. This is the perfect imitation, like the perfect imitation. Like, I just have to like mist, throw some mist or throw some water on, pick out, and I'm sure I'm really gonna be fooling some people for the next couple of weeks. I'm gonna fool people, like, for real. So let me just continue. Okay, I gotta cut this one. Yep. Remember, each of this is going in 5. So 1, 2, 3. I noticed something while I'm installing. I did notice that some of the pieces came bigger than the others. So like this one now obviously is smaller than this one. Now this one that's kind of chunky, I'm probably gonna split this one in 6. The bigger ones were split in 6 and the smaller ones in 5. So that's what I've been doing, and that's what I'm continue doing it. Let me quickly start my knotless part. Latch hook goes in, it hangs, pull out, drop the latch hook. Okay, now there's 2 ends, only one end. 1, 2, that's enough. I'm getting away with knotting twice because of the texture of this hair, because the hair is really textured. If it was some silky hair or hair that's not this textured, you have to knot at least 3 times, but with this hair, twice is enough for me. That's why I'm going real fast. Stick it in, pull, 1, drop that, 2 ends, okay, flip one end aside, hold it down, and knot once, twice, that's 2, and pull, and this other one comes right over it. So for now, I have 1 bag of hair on my head. This is what 1 bag looks like. And this is the second bag. Moving on to the second bag. I almost have a feeling I'm not gonna use up the second bag, but I'll try. This is the perfect natural hair imitation. Like, this is actually my hair blown out. Like, this is my hair blown out. I can't wait. I can't wait for my husband to get back home and see it. He's like, didn't you say you were doing your hair? I'm like, yeah. I'm like, this is your hair. I'm like, no, this is not my hair. You're like, this looks like your hair. Let me just stop already. I'm just too excited. So where was I? I was here. Oh yeah, on the side. Two. Like I mentioned, I'm knotting twice because those knots are not going anywhere. I don't need 3 knots with this hair. 2 is just enough. Almost done, and this is 1 bag and a half. 1 bag and a half. This is the last bit of hair remaining. I still have the feeling I'm not gonna use all of this, and I only have 1 row. I have 1 cornrow going straight back, and half a cornrow. That's gonna be my second part area. So I'ma continue. Yank some of this out. See why it's important to cut that bit. It's too straight. Cut it off. It's less messy when you cut it with the band on it. Actually, I started with some knotless pattern. This one here, I'm gonna finish up knotless still. So 1, 2, I'm done. So I'm done with this one now. I can't even see my parts. Let me look for it. Where's my parts? Is this the part? Yes, right here. Okay, so this is my side parts. Three little bundles of hair left. 1, 2, 3. I could easily have just shoved this in somewhere. Teasing comb. Not like I need any teasing because this hair looks as natural can be already. But let's just do a bit of teasing. Where's that part? Right here. Remember how to tweeze. Teasing comb and hold it up. Back comb. Not too much, just a little. Back comb again. See? Can you see the difference? I just teased this part. I didn't tease this part. This already looks like phew, it's my hair. Springing from the roots. Let me do this side. Tease. Back comb. Back comb in here too. Pretty much that's it. Just gonna fluff my hair out and do some trimming if need be, because some of these pieces tend to be straggly on the ends. I would have to go into the bathroom to look in the mirror to cut. I'm only putting water on this. And I am done